Hello, welcome to Chase on the Lake. We're so glad you were here. With all that is going on, we wanted to take a minute to explain what we are doing to keep both you and our employees happy, healthy, and safe. If there's anything that we can do to make your stay more comfortable, or if we can answer any questions, please reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. We are closely monitoring advisories and updates regarding COVID-19 from the CDC, the WHO, MDH, as well as healthcare and regulatory organizations. We will continue to make changes as necessary to our protocols and procedures. Please come on in. All employees will receive training on COVID-19 safety and sanitation protocols with more comprehensive training for our teams with frequent guest contact, including housekeeping, food and beverage, and hotel operations. Appropriate PPE will be worn by all employees based on their role and responsibility and in adherence with state and local regulations and guidance. Training on how to properly use and dispose of all PPE will be mandatory. Every employee entering the resort will be provided a mask and required to wear that mask in any situation that they are in close contact within 6 feet of another person. Gloves will be provided to employees whose responsibilities require them as determined by medical experts, including housekeeping and public area attendants. All employees have been instructed that they must wash their hands every 60 minutes for 20 seconds, and after any of the following activities: using the restroom, sneezing, touching the face, blowing the nose, cleaning, sweeping, mopping, smoking, eating, drinking, going on break, and before or after starting a shift. Guests will be advised to practice social distancing by standing at least 6 feet away from other groups of people not traveling with them while standing in lines, using elevators, or moving around the property. All resort departments will comply with or exceed local or state mandated occupancy limits, no more than 4 people in an elevator at once. Hand sanitizer dispensers will be available at the front desk and the entrance to the restaurant dining area. Along with our normal cleaning protocols, housekeeping staff will disinfect each room's water faucet handles, toilet seats and handles, door and furniture handles, key readers, and other high-touch items including television remotes, nightstands, doors, telephones, in-room control panels, light switches, temperature control panels, alarm clocks, luggage racks, railings, and flooring. Items that are not easily wiped down and sanitized have been removed from the guest rooms. To best protect both our guests and employees, stayover service will not be available. Guests will receive a daily linen and supply bag, and a place in each hallway will be provided for guests to dispose of their trash and deposit any unwanted linen. When cleaning checkouts, dirty linen will be bagged in the guest room to eliminate excess contact while being transported to the laundry facility. All bed linen and laundry will continue to be washed at high temperature and in accordance with the CDC guidelines. For public areas, staff will disinfect all surfaces every 2 hours or as occupancy dictates. This includes bell carts, countertops or check-in stations, handrails, door handles, elevator buttons, public bathrooms, key cards, locks, vending machines, and other hard surfaces. Our business center computer will be sanitized after each guest use. Staff at the front desk will regularly sanitize and disinfect all countertops, phones, key cards, pens, and credit card devices after use. Social distancing markers will be placed on the floor for guest check-in lanes. A safety barrier has been installed at the front desk for additional safety of both our guests and staff. All staff in the 502 restaurant will be required to wear PPE. Reservations will be required for any dining. Room delivery and curbside pickup will be available. The restaurant, bar, and lobby areas will reduce seating capacities to allow for social distancing. Bar stools will be reduced to provide appropriate physical distancing. Along with our normal cleaning protocols, all dining tables, bar tops, chairs, menus, check presenters, pens will be sanitized after each use. Condiments will be served in a single-use container. All food preparation stations, server stations, host podiums, handrails, and trays will be sanitized every hour. Kitchen will be deep cleaned daily. A complimentary grab-and-go breakfast located near the front desk will be available to each guest each morning of your stay. All staff will be required to wear proper PPE. Down at our beach area, along with our normal cleaning protocols, all surfaces will be cleaned every 2 hours or as occupancy dictates. All outdoor chairs will be set for appropriate physical distancing and wiped down every 2 hours or immediately following a guest departure. For all rentals, including watercraft rentals and bike rentals. All surfaces will be disinfected after each use. Hey, we're so happy you're here, and we are happy to help. Don't hesitate to contact us with any questions. Myself, as well as the entire team at Chase on the Lake, is here for you.